Do you want a quick and easy hairstyle that look great and comfortable for your child? Then follow this step-by-step tutorial to create a beautiful afro ponytail for your child in just a few minutes. I'll start by separating a small section at the front just to give it that design. After I do that, I'm just going to twist it up and keep it aside so it doesn't get on my way when I'm doing the back. Moving over to the back, I'll just use a brush to brush over her hair, trying to get the hair as sleek as possible. I'm using the brush just to make sure that I don't have any bumps on the hair. After brushing the hair, I'll be using a little bit of shine and jam just to make the hair look neat. If your child has curly hair like mine, you don't need a lot of gel to get it sleek. You just need a little bit, then use a brush to brush that up to get it as sleek as you want it. After slicking down the hair, I'll get a rubber band and tie it around the hair just to secure it. When tying it, you want to make sure that you're not putting too much tension on the hair. Then braid the hair and wrap it to make it easy for me to apply the hairpiece. You can make a 3-strand braid or you just twist it and wrap it around the rubber band. After doing that, then I'll just grab the hairpiece and attach it to the hair. The hairpiece, I made it in another video that will be somewhere up here. If you want to see how I made that, just click on that link and it will take you directly to the video. So now I'm just using my hands to arrange this hairpiece so it looks organized. At the front section, I'm going to separate it into two. Use some color rubber bands to tie them. After tying it with a rubber band, at the end, I'm just going to use the comb with some mousse to coil the end. So you don't want to forget about the baby hairs. I'm just laying them down. I use a mousse to do that. To spice this up, I'll go ahead and apply some little butterflies, hearts, flower, clip on the hair. And that will be basically it about this tutorial. Like, she's really feeling herself. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. If you like this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any uploads. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.